Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your share list on TikTok. If you see people popping up when you tap the share button and you don't want them there anymore, this quick method will help you fix that. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, play any video and tap on the share icon, that arrow button. Once you tap it, you'll see a list of people in your share section. These are usually based on your recent interactions. If you want to remove someone from this list, tap on their profile and send them any video. Next, go to your inbox and open the chat with that person. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots. From here, select block and then confirm it by tapping block again. Once you block the user, they will automatically be removed from your share list. Just keep in mind, TikTok doesn't currently have a direct remove from share list button, so blocking is the easiest and most effective way to do it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.